Okay, greetings and salutations. And another outdoor off-road adventure. Got just me and the kids today. My wife is out in Boston with her sister, and it's Easter Sunday. So we're heading up this really rough wash road to go to a location that we've tried to find 4 other times, called the 99 Mine. So let's try to keep from popping the tires, and we'll go up to the 99 Mine. Come on, let's go. are at the 99 Mine Cabin. Oh, look, some brass. Oh my goodness. Well, I'll comb the internet after we get home and see if I can find out at least when this place was established. No, stay out of there, man. This thing is about rickety as hell. Are you freaking cold?
Yeah, I'm freaking cold up
It's freaking
here.
cold.
I should have brought a jacket. Why that's not supposed to say freaking? I mean, I can say freaking.
Yeah, it's seen better days. It won't be long. This thing will be laying on the ground in a pile. But you can see where
I'm in charge of it.
used to be a chimney right there.
Careful with this one, might get pissed.
Yeah.
Is that good?
No, stay out of here.
Not for children.
What? Look at the view up.
Yep, it's not
Stop,
that
boy.
safe. It's not that safe.
Check out the view at the front door.
Yep. With your phone on it.
Look down there. I don't know, I can't tell where I'm pointing, but down over there, if you can see it or not, is Las Vegas. So it only took 3 years to find this place. I'm glad I found it because I don't know how long this will be staying here. This thing's about ready to fall off the mountain. You see where the radio towers are up there? Probably about somewhere in there. There was a plane crash back in the day. Probably, I think it was in the 50s. And I can't remember her name, but a real famous movie actress and her entourage were flying out of Las Vegas and flying into LA, and the navigator miscalculated their altitude, and they flew headlong into that mountain, and of course everybody died, and a lot of the wreckage is still up there. I don't know why I mentioned that, but come on guys, come on down off there. So I'll fly the drone up here and see what I can see. So that's built on a foundation of 55-gallon drums filled with concrete. Little porch here. Don't, that's glass, honey.
Oh.
It'd cut ya. Looks like it had plumbing. Oh, an LB. So check this out.
Where? Why I'm not the right.
Just look how green this desert is right now. Oh my goodness, it's so green. And there's no real super bloom down in Death Valley, but up here in the higher elevations, there's all sorts of desert wildflowers. Look at that. This must have been quite the place back in the day. You like flowers? We're gonna have to stop a couple times and pick some wildflowers. Don't tell the Forest Service.
About orange flowers.
Okay, we'll find some orange flowers for you to pick.
Yeah.
Yay.
Just go this.
She's such a girl. Okay, well, hopefully the Jeep starts. I shut it off because I couldn't find my drone and I couldn't see where my car was parked from the drone. I'm searching frantically and watching my battery go down. Did you find some shiny?
Like,
Okay. Come on, buddy.
Daddy,
Come on, let's go.
Big one.
Oh, that's nice. There's a silver one. Oh, nice. Brass. So, I know. On a side note, you know, when I was a young man, and even up into my mid-40s, I might get sick once, maybe 3 days out of the year. I'd get a cold. I wouldn't miss any work, but I've never been more sick in the last 3 years for a longer period of time than when these kids started going to school. I just spent 3 weeks getting over sinus infection and a chest cold, and I was good for about a week and a half, and then that one, his fault, that one, he came home, and the kids are over at 24 hours, and I'm down for a week. Okay, let's go. Well, they're up here at the mine. Anybody at Light might be watching this video. Hey, sponsor me, would you? Well, there's a grate in there. Can't get in there. It's grated off. They probably all are. But this is the 99 mine. Pretty sure this was a gold mining operation. You can see some copper sulfates there. So, copper. There's a lot of it laying there. That don't look safe. And all sorts of sinkholes underneath me too. You can get down in there through here if you wanted to, but not today. You can see there's, you know, bottom could fall out of this any moment. But now it's habitat for the bats. Onward.